Hey, it's your girl, your favorite paralegal, aka Cassandra Lynn, and welcome to Legal Doc Talk 24/7. I know I haven't been on here in a while, so can I really call it 24/7? But that's neither here nor there. Thank you guys for tuning in to Replay Gang. Hey, I want to go over Miss Jacqueline Wright's, aka Miss Jaguar Wright's case. She currently has two criminal cases here in Dallas, Texas, and a divorce. So I want to kind of get you guys caught up to speed as to what is going on in her case. So let's hop on into it. Let's see. Okay, so here is the two criminal cases. If you have been with me from the beginning and have watched the videos on Miss Jag Wright, you guys will know that she did have a open criminal case regarding the where she threatened an actual police officer. And then the second criminal case shortly after when she stole the U-Haul truck. So those are the two cases that you see have been filed against her. Now, the crazy thing is, in the first case, she did not have an attorney. She did not have an attorney. Now that she was able to get reparation, they were able to take on both of these cases for her. Now, what has happened, I have no clue. I just briefly looked at the docket and seen a motion to withdraw. Um, Actually, I didn't see motion to withdraw. I saw MTW, and in my book and any other legal professionals, MTW or motion to withdraw. So I don't know what is going on, but it's not looking too good. So in this particular case where she threatened a police officer, the judge actually ordered for her to do an evaluation. The doctor ended up filing his competency report. What it was, no clue. There's no way for me to access it unless I am an attorney. And I'm not going to log on to my attorney's portal to grab that. I'll figure out how to obtain that. But scrolling down, I did notice that she had a hearing. Well, yeah, she had a hearing scheduled for yesterday. I'm assuming that, and here it is. So the 10/1/2000, it says other, and it says file MTW. Like I said, that is motion to withdraw. I don't see any other uh docket entry showing a motion to withdraw, but here it says file MTW. Then here's a pass lip, meaning that they passed this particular hearing, the 10/1 hearing, and they reset it for October the 3rd. If I did not have to take my child to school, I would make it downtown to see exactly what is going on. So here they said that the defendant must appear. Now, hearing was 10/1, it was reset on 10/2 for tomorrow. So I'm assuming that the judge was like, "Hey, try to get in contact with her. You got 24 hours to get in contact with her, but she needs to be here." So what I don't know exactly why the attorney is wanting to withdraw from the case, but whatever it is, it could be very serious only because the defendant has to appear. Anytime we file motion to withdraw, the defendant does not ever have to appear. But this is a criminal case, so it's totally different than civil litigation. So that's this case, and the same thing that's happening in the other case. Like I said, the attorney represents her for both cases, and this is the case with the U-Haul truck. So once again, not a lot of movement, just the hearing for and two. Um, Now, even though it's scheduled at 9 a.m., it really does. You have so many other cases, so it just all depends. So I might I might drive down there, um, to see what's going on, but I'll keep you guys updated. I might go live from the courthouse, but who knows? But that is what's going on with her criminal cases. I had to be nosy and figure out what's going on with her divorce case. Now, y'all have been with me long enough to know that when a lawsuit is filed, that party has to be served. And once they are served, they have to answer. Not all the time will an individual be served because their whereabouts are unknown. Now, we know where, I don't think we even know where Miss Jag Wright be at sometimes, but she's always posting or hopping up on people panels and stuff like that. So we know she alive, but what's going on. So this petition was filed in May. Um, by obviously by the spouse. A citation was issued. I'm assuming that because they were unable to locate her, what they ended up doing is doing a citation by posting, meaning that it in the newspaper for 4 consecutive weeks. And if no response, then they can go ahead and move for default judgment. And that's why you hear it says execute a citation by posting, meaning that they did the time allotted. Nobody so they went ahead and uh, decided to go ahead with a default judgment. Now, normally I handling divorce cases. So anytime in Dallas, each county is different and each court is different. Because I know only the 230. Okay, so this is 255th District Court. So only the 330th you have to actually go before the judge. But any other district court, family court in Dallas County, you don't have to do that. You could just submit a prove up after with your proposed final divorce decree. They'll look at it, make sure everything is good. Is everything is good, they'll go ahead and sign off on it. And that's pretty much what they did. So if you see default decree removed from queue, that's only because they filed the proposed default decree. I'm sorry, the proposed final, but they did not provide a prove up affidavit. So it's like four things that has to be submitted in the event that the responded defaults. The proposed order, which is the final divorce decree, a military status affidavit, the certificate of last known address, as well as the prove up affidavit saying that yes, I'm over 18. Everything in this, petition. I mean, the proposed order and petition is true. Da 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 da. Da. And the judge will look over this, and if everything goes as planned, especially if it. Oh well, she really didn't contest anything, so that's a win for the husband. I don't know exactly what it is that he's asking for. Probably not a lot. In Dallas, a lot of the family court, not even a lot, all of the family court dockets are sealed. It's not open to the public, so I won't be able to see exactly what he was asking for. But I'm pretty sure it was just cut and simple. Like, what's mine, husband's hers, if they had any community property that they shared, at this time, if he did list anything, it probably belonged to him because she didn't contest anything. um, and then what's the last thing? And then this is just something that they always do in any type of civil or family law case, a dismissal for want of prosecution. That's if, they set this hearing, it's like a status, but it's just saying if no movement has been done on this case by this date, when the judge hears this, she's going to review the docket and see if there's any movement. If there's no movement, then they'll go ahead and just dismiss it. But since a default judge has already been sent, I'm pretty sure that they're going to sign it, and this is going to be done way before December. And that's it. So he couldn't find her. She didn't respond. So, that is going to go in his favor. But other than that, I am very curious to see exactly what is going on in her criminal cases. Um, that filing of the motion to withdraw is like girl, you just got an attorney. What are you doing? So I might. I might make my way downtown. I don't know. Traffic in Dallas is ridiculous. But what do y'all think is going on? Do y'all think that the attorney is withdrawn because she's not paying, or she's not, you know, she's not following the rules, or is it because they can't find her? Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, be blessed, and I'm out.